you seen Canva's new layers feature? I had to drop everything I was doing this morning, come in here, not even be ready, and film this video just to tell you Canva has layers. Check them out. You guys, it's here. I have it. I have layers. I have it. Actually, this is my freebie account. I still don't have it on my pro, but let's get to it. So all you are going to do is come over here to position when you're clicking on any object on the screen, and it's going to pull up this whole layer section so you can actually go in and move things around. And it even goes as far as showing you just the things that are overlapping, and you can switch those around too. So this is going to be your layers, and obviously we don't have a lot overlapping here, but this is where you would go to move them around. And I noticed one other thing that's new, this draw feature, and look. So it's out of beta and now it's fully on the screen. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want. You can change the transparency and the weight and what you're trying to draw with over here. And then you just come in and yay! So we now have the draw and we have the layers, and lastly we have the brand hub, but like I said, I'm on a free account, but I don't have it yet. So brand hub, this would be where it would show you your brand colors, your brand fonts, and your brand's logos.